Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer Apple Music playlist to Spotify. If you're using any iPhone or you want to transfer your Apple Music playlist to Spotify, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to go ahead to your App Store and install a third-party application for that. Because in iPhone we haven't any official way to transfer our playlist to Spotify, so you have to simply open your App Store and here go for search and search for SongShift tab here. Simply search for SongShift. Once you have that, you have to install this app. Just tap on this get option and it will be start installing. So you must have to wait for it until the installation has been completed. After installation, you just have to open the app, and here you have to connect this app with the specific apps. For example, in our case, we have to connect this app to our Apple Music and then Spotify. First of all, you have to select Apple Music from here, then select continue, then select allow, and here once you have selected, it will automatically connect. Once the app has been connected, you have to select the Spotify, then select open, and from here you have to wait for its loading and then select allow option or agree option here. Simply tap on that and it will also be connected. Now what you have to do, simply tap on this continue option, and here you have to look for, simply tap on this get started option, then tap on this plus option in the top right corner, and here you have to select Apple Music or albums. So I'm going to select albums from here, and here you have to look for music if you have. So you can see I haven't any music in this section or not here. If you have any songs from here, you must have to select that, then tap on this confirm, and once you have that, you have to select just Spotify from here, then select start shift. Once you have your all song or selected playlist will be easily transferred into your Spotify. So in this way you can easily transfer your playlist from Apple Music to Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.